Hello everyone, my name is Seung Hwan and I'm with SwiftEngine. In the last video, we learned what RESTful API is and touched upon our built-in method called request.addHandler, but really didn't show you guys how request.addHandler works. So in today's video, I will demonstrate how to use request.addHandler method to deal with GET method specifically. I'll briefly explain what GET method is first, then write some codes that show what the code does and how to handle GET method using request.addHandler. So what is GET method? I think I talked about it in the last video briefly. GET method is one of a few request methods that is sent to retrieve information. Before coding, it is important to really understand how to pass information through URL. You guys know what URL is? It's what I highlight over here. That is one of those. Well, I believe that you will want to retrieve specific information in the future maybe. And if you want to get something specific, you need to know what you're going to get. It's the same concept. Sometimes you want to specify what you want to get through URL. So how do you do it? I will cover this with some examples of coding. So let's log in. If you don't have an account, please sign up first. Now I do have an account, so I'll just simply log in. I have, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't have products here yet. It is very easy to make new one. You just simply do it from here. Order new services. I already made one, and it is tutorials for our tutorial today. Here, we're gonna make a text file called, what should I call it? How about request handler? And our extension name is .ssp. Double click on it, and now we will start coding. First, you need a bracket that you usually see when you're coding in some web languages such as HTML, XML, and other stuffs. But we are only going to use Swift language for our stuff, and that's very convenient. One of the many good reasons why SwiftEngine should be used. Import foundation. We import foundation just like we always do in Xcode, except actually Xcode usually import foundation automatically, so some people don't even know that they are using the library or what is provided by the foundation. Now, as I talked about, we're going to use request.addHandler. And it takes two parameters. First one is for method. And simply, we're going to get method today. And another parameter name is with route. What you put here is you're specifying what the input is going to be. So for instance, I want to specify that there should be one input, and resource just indicates your file name. For this one, it should be request handler.ssp. Here, I'm gonna put, let's name it variable. And then open a bracket and close it. Automatically does it, so be happy. RP, route params, in. So, what are the route parameters? Oh, I just said it. Route params are route parameters. You can think of a for loop that will iterate through inputs. Here, you write response dot write hello from the handler. and then RP resource and force unwrap it. Now we're gonna test it out if it works good. You click on it and then type your extension name, which is request handler.ssp. It gives an error. Guess why? Because we didn't give an input. But what if we give an input? Let's just wait it out. There is an error. What does it say? Unexpectedly found nil while unwrapping an optional value. Oh, so I guess I made a mistake here. Let's check what kind of mistake I made. Resource, and here we go. Let's compile again. Now it works beautifully. So here you saw that without an input, it crashes. That's because we specified how many inputs we're going to have. Let's add one more, variable 2. Let's run this again. Of course it gives an error because we only gave one input. What if we give one more? Then it successfully compiles. That was handling the get method, and thank you for watching video today. See you guys again soon.